Hi guys, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials channel. Today, we are going to talk about how to add ChatGPT in Homescreen. So this is a very quick and easy guys. All you need to do is just to sit back and relax and let's dive into it. First step we need to do guys is go to our Google Chrome and then at the search engine just type chat dot. Alright, so openai.com, this one. So let's open it and then click login since we are done in signing up. So let's click login and then next to it is we have to click this continue with Google because when we are going to sign up when we sign up into ChatGPT we use the Google account. All right, so continue with Google and of course click our Google account and then next to it is it's done. We can now use the ChatGPT. All right, so the third step, how to add ChatGPT in our home screen, just click this three dot at the upper right part of the screen. And of course, you will now see here the new tab, new incognito tab, history, downloads, bookmarks, recent tabs, share, find in page, translate, add to home screen, desktop site, setting, and help and feedback. Alright, so before we are going to proceed to the final process or the final step, let us check it first, guys, to our home screen if there is already a added ChatGPT. Right? So as you can see, there is no added ChatGPT over here. And so now we can continue to our step. Alright, so just click this and add to home screen. By the way, guys, you can customize or rename your ChatGPT over here. Alright, so let's say for example, ChatGPT my fab. Alright, my fab. And now, after that one, you can now select or tap this add. And so that this ChatGPT will be added to your home screen. Alright, so now let's check if it works. So over here, this is your home screen. And let's scroll it. Alright, so over here, this is our ChatGPT. So let's try this one. If we can open directly the ChatGPT. Okay, so it opens. So there we go. This is on how to add ChatGPT in the home screen. So if you want to know on how to add ChatGPT in our home screen, that's the easiest way I know. And if you know another way on how to add ChatGPT in our home screen, just leave a comment below and be sure to subscribe for more videos. Bye guys!